Hi guys, it's the Tail Twins again. We're sorry because it cut off when we were in the middle, so we'll just show you our best
shinies
cards.
and all that.
Our best ones. So we got a Venusaur. I got my Venusaur EX Jumbo, and I obviously got the Pikachu. It's the third rarest card you could ever get. A Solvinion, a Charizard EX, a Venusaur EX, a Snorlax, a Floetta, a Butterfree, a maintenance trainer, a Yveltal Hollow, and a Altaria, like full art, and because it's like shiny and a little bit around there as well.
So I'll show you mine now. So I got a Blastoise Jumbo EX, a Flareon EX, a Blastoise EX, and full art Articuno. Then all my good ones is a trainer, which is a Shauna, Energy, a Raichu, Flossless, Shelder, a Doduo, a Yveltal, and another Yveltal. It's Yveltal.
Bye! See you in our next video.
Bye!